This is Sydney's Morse Code app. Here we have 3 buttons labeled Send, Receive, and About. If you click the About button, it will tell you the credits, and it'll also give a detailed explanation as to what this app will do. If you click the Receive button, it will show this placeholder activity. Then if you click the Send, it'll bring you to a new activity where the user can enter text. Then if you push the Lookup button, it'll send you to another activity where it's got the list of the alphabet, numbers, and punctuation and miscellaneous Morse code sheet. And if you click a letter, it'll show up at the bottom, and also in the log it will show which letter was pressed. Unfortunately, I was not able to have it display the information when you return to the previous screen.